Captain here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. Today's video, we're talking about Binance. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, they're ranked number 5 in terms of market cap, sitting at $316.50 per BNB. Now, a little bit about BNB. Binance is the world's largest. It's the world's leading blockchain ecosystem with a product suite that includes the largest digital asset exchange. The mission is to be the infrastructure service provider and cryptocurrency here. Now, a little bit about their ecosystem. The platform is trusted by millions worldwide and features an unmatched portfolio of financial product offerings. Now, they have Binance Exchange as part of the ecosystem, BNB Chain, Trust Wallet, Binance Research. They even have a launch pad, Binance Labs, Binance Charity, and also have a Binance Academy here. Now, they are doing this. They are doing a lot of work. 76 billion, 24-hour trading volume on Binance Exchange. That's a lot. 600 plus cryptocurrency is listed through Binance, and 90 million registered users who trust Binance. 90 million. That's quite a bit. And look at their lowest transaction fee. You see the numbers right there. Now, this is a look of their swap, their exchange that you can go ahead and log in and change and trade any Binance that's on their actually cryptocurrency listing. So you can go ahead and do this right now. And as well, this is the founder, a serial entrepreneur with an impressive track record of successful startups. He launched Binance in July 2017, and within 180 days, grew Binance into the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So, Binance has got a good name in the cryptocurrency world, number 5 according to CoinMarketCap. And according to MarketCap, they could get even higher in the future because they are the world's leading blockchain ecosystem with a product suite that includes the largest digital asset exchange. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos. This is the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.